Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. May peace be upon us all. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, greeting of virtue. I'm Husnul Khatimah, a student of elementary school teacher education. I would like to thank to the examiner who have given me an opportunity to present about my thesis with the title Analysis of Teacher Difficult in Preparing Thematic Learning Plans in Grades 5 and 9 Elementary School number 3 Turatea, Sub-District Turatea, Jeneponto District. Well, my thesis consists of 5 chapters. The first, introduction; second, literature review; third is research methodology for finding and discussion; and the last is conclusion. With there is a background, juridical foundation, theoretical foundation, and factual foundation. The next, there is literature review. Number one, thematic learning. Number two, thematic learning tool. Okay, the next there is frame of mind. Uh, you can see in the table image. The next research method, which there is type of research, time and place of research, subject, uh, procedure, data collection, techniques, and instrument. The next, result and discussion. Number one, teacher difficult in designing lesson plans based on the result of research conducts an elementary school number 3 Turatea, Jeneponto District. The following result of the analysis of direct interview found that there are 4 aspects that make teacher difficult. Namely, teacher have difficult developing learning indicator, teacher have difficult applying learning methods, teacher have difficult in completing learning steps, and teacher have difficult determining learning media intelligence plans. And number two, teacher difficult is making LKPD. The teacher difficult in preparing an LKPD is adjusting the content of the LKPD to the level of understanding of the students. This is important because by adjusting the content of the LKPD with the ability of the student, it will make it easier for the student to understand teaching material present by the teacher and will make success in learning easy to achieve. And number three, teacher difficult in developing teaching materials. Based on the result of research on the difficult of teacher is completing teaching materials, it was found the teacher had difficult when making the content of learning materials and difficult in making subject matter, difficult when making content of learning materials. Because by learning resource such as books that are not in accordance with the lesson plan and the alignment of learning indicator with the material made in teaching materials. And number four, teacher difficult in making learning media. Based on the result of research on teacher difficult in designing using learning media where there is only one aspect found, namely difficult in making interesting learning media. Making learning media the most difficult thing is to make learning media that can attract the attention of students because the increased interest of students in the learning process will make it easier for students to understand the material being taught so that success in learning can be achieved well. And the last, number five, teacher difficult in making assessment instrument. Based on the result of research on teacher difficult in making assessment instruments, it was found that teacher had difficult in making assessment in the cognitive, affective, and psychometric domains, and difficult in making cognitive domain assessment instrument result from the level of understanding of different students and each aspect of learning assessment must be synchronous with the each other. Um, the difficult in making effective demand assessment instrument are found to be caused by the preparation of attitude assessment indicator must be adjusted to the attitude condition of the student. Okay, the next conclusion, based on the result of the research and discussion described above, it can be concluded that the difficult of teacher in design thematic learning in class 5 and 9 elementary school number 3 Turatea, Jeneponto district are teacher difficult in developing learning indicator, teacher difficult in applying learning method, and teacher difficult in completing learning step, and the last teacher difficult in determining learning media. The teacher difficult in making LKPD is to match the content of LKPD with the level of understanding of student. The teacher difficult is making assessment instrument is that the teacher has difficult is making assessment in the cognitive domain due to the different level of understanding of student. So guys, that are my presentation. Thank you so much for your nice attention. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.